Jesus, take the wheel. Okay, round two. Let's do it. Okay, so this is round two of our monthly beauty box. Last time what we did is we opened up everything that we had from Kinder, Birchbox, Target, and Allure beauty box. So we did our 4 beauty boxes of the month. We got some really great stuff in there. So everything from this point on, this is all of my gifted and all of my complimentary items. So a couple of things I got from Influencer. So thank you so much, Influencer, because you sent me something here, I don't know, and then you sent me some Drunk Elephant, which I'm so excited to try. So you sent me a couple of things that I'm really, really excited about. The 2 things that I got from Influencer are complimentary. They were given to me and shared with me only so that I can test them out and review them, and so that I can share them with you and with the Influencer community, as well as potential customers of Drunk Elephant and whatever is in here. So I'm really excited, and I thank you, Influencer, for sending me these products, and I can't wait to test them out. The other 2 I have here are also for promotional purposes. Trine Water sent me an amazing, I cannot wait to see this thing, an amazing water bottle. Yes, this is a water bottle. I cannot wait. And so I got that from them, so I'm gonna look at that today with you all. And then I got something from my spell box. This was a gift from a friend, and I have no idea what is in here either, so I'm really excited. I have no idea what's in any of these things, but I'm gonna open them with you. I'm gonna share them with you, and then in the description box below, I'm going to link everything, all of this stuff that I got here, especially for Trine and my spell box, so that you can get it. And then I'll also link the information about the 2 things that I got from Influencer. So here we go. We're gonna start with this right here because this is just so cute and little. It's Gucci. Okay. So this is Gucci's Bloom. This is the new fragrance from Gucci called Bloom. Okay. And it says, enter the garden of dreams with the new Gucci Bloom perfume dedicated to women flourishing in an expressive and individual way. It's a natural green scent and explores a rich floral quality and a creamy depth of tuberose. I don't know what that is. Offering a radiant twist on the magnificent white floral signature, Bloom Eau de Parfum. This unleashes the addictive potential and magneticism of tuberose essence blended with jasmine, closed buds, and jasmine. Sabak. Interesting. Let's try it out. I'm interested to try this out. So we'll see what this smells like. I love perfumes, but I also only love floral scents, so this will be oh my god, I love it already. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, this smells amazing. Again, by Gucci Bloom. Yeah, I like it. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Gucci. Fell off my thing. Okay. Alrighty. Love that. Can't wait to try that on a little date. Okay, next up by Trine Water. This is next. So, Trine Water, I'm just gonna read this for you, okay? This is a water crystal energized glass water bottle, okay? And I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited to try this. Here's what it says. Meditate on your intentions and affirmations. Drink to hydrate and cleanse yourself at a cellular level with the vibrational frequency you'd like to manifest in reality. Human emotions, thoughts, words, and ideas transforms the molecular structure of water. The natural crystals in your Trine water bottle amplify the energy and magic you project into them. Here we go. So they come in 3 different colors, and I got rose gold. Oh, can you just look at this water bottle? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Do you see that? Oh my God, it is beautiful. Oh, it is a gorgeous water bottle. Oh, so this is a glass water bottle. Oh, and then there are crystals. Oh my God. There are crystals in here. So the crystals go in the bottom of your water bottle. Okay, let me just share. Oh my gosh. Look, can I just share these with you? You see those? Oh my gosh. Okay, it says here on the thing, I just noticed this. Trine in astrology means favorable aspect of 2 celestial bodies in harmonious angle of support that represents blessings on the path of life. On your birth chart, the houses that host your trine are innate areas of alignment. They have an Instagram page, so I'm gonna link their Instagram right here for you so you can see that. So how this works, oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't even want to touch it. My fingerprints are all over it. Okay. So I'm guessing you take these. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna put them all in. Can I put them all in? Am I supposed to do that, Trine? Am I not supposed to put them? I'm putting them all in. Oh my God, I love this. Look at this. Okay. And then you put this on the bottom, I'm guessing. Was that the top or the bottom? Does it matter? Okay. Oh, it's okay, yeah. Look. And so now your crystals are at the bottom of your water bottle. Oh my goodness, I love this water bottle. Drink to hydrate and cleanse yourself at a cellular level with the vibrational frequency that you'd like to manifest into reality. Thank you, Trine. Love it. Let's go to this Drunk Elephant. This is again by Influencer, so thank you, Influencer, for this complimentary package. And inside, happy scalp, happy hair. And so this is about hair, and I've heard many things about Drunk Elephant. I've never tried their products. I'm excited to try today. These Drunk Elephant products I have here are, okay, let's go in order. How about we do that? Okay, so first is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. Apply directly to a dry scalp and massage in, then you let it sit for 10 minutes. You rinse it thoroughly and follow with the shampoo and conditioner. Use it 1 or 2 times a week. Again, free of SLS, silicones, essential oils, fragrances, dyes, and drying alcohols. They are recyclable. So you put this on your dry scalp, you let it sit there, and then you go on to the next step, which is the shampoo. Cocamino glossing shampoo. Apply to your wet hair, massage it in, add a little more water to get it nice and sudsy, rinse it well. Do not repeat. Oh, 1 time. Next is the Kokomo Marula Cream Conditioner. Okay, it says to moisturize and repair. For best results, apply to freshly cleansed hair, comb through from the roots to the ends, disperse evenly, and then you rinse it well. Okay. So, thank you, Influencer. I'm going to try this. I'm actually getting my hair done tomorrow. That's why it looks like this today. And so I'm going to try my Drunk Elephant products. I've heard a lot of things, like I said, about Drunk Elephant, so this is exciting. I heard that their products are for all skin types and hair types, so we'll see. I don't know. I will have to come back and tell you how these products work on me. But for my hair type, I don't know. Next is by My Spell Box. Again, this is gifted to me. I don't know what oh, it's heavy. I don't even know what this is about, but I'm gonna open it right now and share with you. Oh my God, I love this box. Okay, here we go. Look at, oh my God, it smells amazing. Okay, sorry. I don't know what is in here, but this is called My Spell Box. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. Can y'all move over a little bit? I'm going to take everything out like one by one for you. First, I see this. I knew it was a candle. Ooh. I don't know if it's what's in the box or this. Do not disturb. Isn't that cute? Okay. Then, oh my gosh, look at this. A little sage. So I can smudge. Ooh, I love the smell of sage. So I can smudge. Oh, look, a bath bomb. Anybody love bath bombs? I've never used them, so I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh. And then this is another bath bomb, I'm guessing. So it's like a, oh my God. Okay, total self-care. So you know, oh my gosh, you guys, look underneath. So these are some of those gold, 24 karat gold eye patches, sorry. I was like looking at them. So cute. This is a Step Up Your Self-Care Summer Love Body Scrub. And it's made of, so the ingredients are right here. Coconut oil, grapeseed oil, cane sugar, arnica oil, and essential oil fragrances. Oh my God. It smells like summer. It smells like a cross between watermelon, strawberry, lavender, like that's what it looks like. It just, it has so many scents. Ugh. How to use it, and then while you're in the tub in the shower, you just put it all over your skin. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. More bath bombs. And 2 more bath bombs. Oh my God. So cute. I love. And these are like all natural ones because they have, oh gosh, these are the bath bombs that have stuff inside of them, like dried, oh my goodness, like flowers and stuff. Oh my God, is this not the cutest thing? Nicole is my girlfriend that gave this to me. Thank you so much, Nicole. Like, this is the best right here. Love this. Wow. So you can see it has like something in it. So once I put it in the bathtub, it will explode. Okay. So this is everything from my spell box. What a great idea. Like, okay, so that is all of my gifted, complimentary / free items that I got from Influencer, which gave me our Gucci Bloom, my Trine Water bottle that is brand new that I absolutely love. Drunk Elephant's hair care products, so I'll be using those tomorrow. Check out my next week in the life because you'll get to see me use that. And then this amazing My Spell box, which I'm gonna have to make a night of this, and we'll have to do a night inside of just a little self-care night where I'm using all of this. So thank you to everyone. Thank you to Influencer, thank you to Trine Water, and thank you to My Spell box. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below so that you can enjoy all of these goodies yourself. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, then I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. You can also follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. And I think that is it, faves. Until next time, bye.